Hello. Hope you're getting the hang of the importance of object in computers. Now let me put forth the actual features of object-oriented programming methodology. Let me elaborate on various points like, are these rules or protocols? What is each feature trying to convey? How should each feature be interpreted? How does each feature help the programmers to achieve their goals while designing the system? It's like, the traits of a good human. The more you follow the list of traits, the better human being you become. I have already talked about a few languages which are recognized to follow object-oriented programming methodology. Not all languages follow all features. I am going to talk about it sometime in the future. But for now, let me concentrate on the features of OOPS. They are object, class, abstraction, encapsulation, data hiding and implementation hiding, inheritance, polymorphism, dynamic binding, and message passing. All these features are so closely interlinked and are not independent. Let me reproduce a definition here that I read in one book. Object-oriented programming is a method of implementation in which programs are organized as cooperative collections of objects, each of which represents an instance of some class, and whose classes are members of a hierarchy of classes united via inheritance relationship. How much would you understand this definition? Although this is one of the best definitions I have ever seen. The credit for such wonderful definition goes to Grady Booch in his book on object-oriented programming. I will try to explain the features at the end of this chapter in such a manner that you will understand the meaning conveyed by Grady Booch in his definition. All these features are so closely woven that the discussion on each of these independently is quite impossible and would be unfair as well. So I will be explaining each one of them in reference to the other feature, the journey of which would be a little random, like our minds, a little haphazard, a little unorganized, but intentional though. So while explaining object, I may talk about class and abstraction and vice versa. While talking about abstraction, I may refer to inheritance. While explaining class, I may refer to encapsulation, data hiding, and implementation hiding. Whereas while explaining inheritance, I would talk simultaneously about object, class, abstraction, encapsulation, and so on. I will continue in the next topic with more interesting stuff. Till then, bye and take care.